Alright, hello everybody. I'd like to welcome you to a small little city along the 138.
Continue for 2 miles.
This is the city of Phelan, California. This is kind of just like a lot of those other high desert towns, like Apple Valley, which is just to the other side of here. I'm not great with directions. There is one self-service car wash in this entire city, and it happens to have a Softgloss MAXX 5 in it. And as of, I think it was a year ago, there was still an original, like an OG first generation Thrustpro dryer. Now, whether or not that'll even be working, or whether or not that dryer system is still there, I don't know. So I've looked around. I haven't really looked around for gas stations, so a gas station around here might have another wash, but I haven't. As far as self-service washes goes, or even there's no express car washes here. Those are all in Hesperia, which is further away from here. Alright, I made a wrong turn, but it's there, and the Thrustpro is certainly still there, and so is the Softgloss. And there's no cones in front of it or anything indicating it's not working, so I guess we're in luck. I'm not sure what the Softgloss replaced, to be honest. Probably an older Softgloss, or maybe like a Ryko Voyager APC or something. So let's see. Got an unlimited wash club here. There's the system. Now let's see, we got a Express for 10, the Ultimate for 12, and the 14 Supreme. We'll do that.
You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $14.
I'm gonna go ahead and swipe my card on this CryptoPay branded auto cashier. Okay. Still approved.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
I'm really excited for this. This is only my second car wash in Southland that has one of these original Thrustpros, so I hope it works properly. Oh, that bump's a little difficult to navigate. This one looks in surprisingly good condition for the area it's in. I figured that this would not be well taken care of. Yeah, but someone's caring for it, clearly. Oh, it's a vintage model, because only the vintage models have that air dryer panel on it. Starting out with triple foam. Starting with the soft touch cycle now. I wonder if this one will have color wave on it. When it's $14, I would hope that there is. Got one of those crazy spinning wheel blasters there. I wonder if this replaced a Monarch 2 high impact, or something from the 90s era of Ryko systems. I couldn't tell because on Street View from past there was too much tree, so I couldn't see in the bay. Alright, now we're going to be using the wheel blasters and doing this top brush. Those wheel blasters are really powerful. This is a high pressure wheel clean. I'm glad this one invested in a status timer for the wash. Most of the soft glosses in this area don't have it. Let's see. Looks like we're just doing a rinse. status signage isn't lit up. This is probably a clear coat of some sort. Or, to be honest, this looks like pre-soak. I don't... What the... If that's a clear coat, that's surprisingly thick if it is. I turned on the air because maybe I could smell it, but nah, I can't smell anything. This might be our spot for your rinse already. Yep. Wonder if this one has the dropping Thrustpro. Oh, it doesn't drop anymore. Oh, that sucks. Look, you can tell that they just put a thing on the top here to make the airflow concentrated. So that no longer works. The dropping feature no longer works. Someone coming in behind me, so this must be... Yeah, you see, without the top dropping component, it really kind of limits this thing's capability. Got about 18 seconds of driver time left. Yeah, the air dryer left a little bit to be desired, to be honest, because you know, because it doesn't drop, the Thrustpro doesn't drop anymore, and they just kind of left it hanging on the top. It doesn't really work to its full potential. I forgot to mention the name of this place. This is the Squeaky Clean Car Wash. But here's a look at the wash options that I completely missed on the way in. But they do unlimited washes. Like I said, my major complaint is the air dryer being limited in its capabilities because of how it's been modified. So that was definitely overpriced, but I mean, completely functional, no maintenance issues. Oh, you see, when I used the wiper, it made kind of a streak right there. So I don't know if it just didn't rinse off effectively, or if that's because I used the windshield wipers. Yeah, I'd recommend getting one of the lower packages, like maybe the $12 option would be a better value. But other than that, that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching, and that is it.